Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow.
Good morning. This is Debbie with Food Prepping Channel. And I know y'all been wondering where I've been. And I just decided to take a little break before Christmas or whatever. I had a lot to do. I had to try to get my Christmas shopping done because I've got 7 grandchildren now, and I don't want to leave anybody out. 7 grandchildren, 4 children, and people in my life that I needed to try to get things for. And when you're on a fixed income, it's kind of hard to do that and, make sure that you get everybody, and, especially my grandchildren. That's just one thing that I had to make sure that I could get things for was my grandchildren. And then I've just not been feeling good. I don't know what I went to the doctor, and I had, she checked my blood. I don't think I've talked to y'all since I got back the results, but she said that I needed B12, and so I just got that today. And let's see, what else was it? I had that place on my arm. I talked to y'all since then, and that finally, it's still a little not there, but and the scab or whatever is going away. But I mean, it's still, it's pretty much gone away for the remainder. And now I went to the store. Well, I didn't go. I did a grocery list last night to Kroger's, and I sent Samantha there this morning to do the pickup for me and get the last of everything that I needed for Christmas dinner, Christmas Eve, Christmas dinner. I have got a ham at Kayla's house that Josh got a ham where he worked, so they're giving that to me to fix for Christmas dinner. And then Kim and Jess have got a big, I think it's like a 24-pound turkey that they got, and I'm going to cook that too. So we always try to have turkey and ham for Thanksgiving and turkey and ham for Christmas. So I'm hoping I'm going to feel okay enough to get this cooked. I'm not going to fix as much as I did for Thanksgiving, but it's pretty much the same thing. My kids they like mashed potatoes and the ham and the turkey and dressing and gravy and deviled eggs, and you gotta have macaroni and cheese and baked beans. So anyway, so this is the last thing that I've got, the last things that I had to get. And so I ordered some brown and serve rolls, but they didn't have any. They were sold out, and so they replaced it with these Wonder rolls, and this is just classic dinner rolls. I got 2 packs of those, and those were $1.50 a piece because they switched out those for the brown and serve. Yeah, for the brown and serve. Is that right?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay, so they were $1.50 a piece, so $3. And then Kroger's had their 16.9 ounces of soda, Coke or Dr. Pepper's or whatever. So these you got a 6-pack for $2. So I got 5 6-packs for Christmas. I got 2 Mountain Dews, 3 Dr. Peppers. So that was $10 for 5 6-packs, which I'm just wondering when those are going to go off, because I've been really trying to stock up on this stuff, because I like to have one Dr. Pepper a day, and no, that's not good for my diabetes, but I do like to have one a day. And then when the kids come over or whatever, they all like Mountain Dew, so I got Mountain Dew. And then, all right, now up here is I got 2 bags of Confectioners Sugar, because I'm getting ready to start baking my cookies and everything else that I would make that would need powdered sugar. And so y'all got to watch, because all the cookies and the sweets and all that you do at Christmas, that's what I'm going to be doing pretty soon.
Those were $1.67.
Oh yeah, $1.67 a piece for those. Is that what's next, or these? Okay, so then I always, when I did it for Thanksgiving, I don't know what I did wrong, but I fixed my sweet potato casserole, and I thought it tasted terrible. Now, I just didn't. Was ready to throw all of it away, but Kim and I, they liked it. I just didn't like it. I didn't like that. And so anyway, I'm gonna try it again for Christmas. And I got 2 40-ounce cans of Bruce's yams to make the sweet potato casserole with, and these are
$2.50.
all right. These are $2.50 a piece, so $5 for these 2. And then I got, for my baked beans, which Josh, Kayla's fiance, and oh, by the way, Kayla told me last night, she won't tell me when, but she said that they've decided when to get married. So she's going to make an announcement, I guess. She won't tell me. And I got so upset. I said, I'm your mama, you can tell me. And she said, we're going to do it all together at the same time. She said, because if she had to tell me, she'd have to tell Josh's mom, and then everybody else would feel like they wanted to know and all this. And so they are going to get married pretty soon. I asked her, I said, is this going to be soon? And she said, yeah. So, and she said, Mama, you got to help me with the dress, because I had told her that I would help her with the dress, but that was when I was doing, I was making a whole lot better income or whatever from YouTube, but like I said, for some reason, my YouTube money, I'm doing the same amount of videos that I was, but my YouTube money has gone down anywhere from 7 to 10, $7 to $1,000 a month. And it's just been ridiculous. But she said, Mom, you got to help me with my dress. And I said, well, I'll help you zip it up. Because it's going to be real hard. But I will do whatever I have to do. I'll try the best I can to help her or whatever along, because, her dad is deceased, and so it's just me, and I wanted to walk her down the aisle, but I can't walk anymore, so it would have been just me, because I've raised her, and also I don't know what she's gonna do now. I was giving her a few suggestions or whatever last night, that she could have someone. I said, you can push me down the aisle. And she pushed me down the aisle. Really, I was just joking on that. But she could get someone to push me down the aisle, I guess, while I stood beside her until we got down to the front or whatever. But, that's up to her. I'll leave that up to her. Okay, so anyway, one of the other dishes that I make is my baked beans, and y'all know, can you not see those? Okay, there it is. All right, my baked beans, and I use anywhere from 4 to 6 cans of pork and beans. I'll probably do 5 for this one. And it's Kroger. Well, I used to do Van Camps. I've always used Van Camps. But now I've found that Kroger and Walmart's pork and beans taste just as good as Van Camps do. So I've got those now for the baked beans. And those were
69 cents.
69 cents a piece. All right. And then I've got 2 stovetop stuffings, cornbread, I wanted to make my own stuffing, but by the time it gets around to all the cooking that I have to do, stovetop stuffing is good. All right, and those are $2 a piece.
They were on sale for $2.
Okay, yeah, okay, and now bananas. I've told y'all this a million times. I usually try to eat a banana a day, but I'm also going to fix some banana pudding just for around here now, not for Thanksgiving or whatever, for just for around here. And the bananas were 23 cents a piece.
37.
No.
Oh, 55 a pound. They were 55 a pound, so it came out to, I think, 37 cents.
Okay, well, I'm not sure sure how this. Usually, it's by the banana, and I think it was 23 cents a banana. But I noticed the last time that I went to Kroger's, they didn't do it by that. So maybe it's a single price of them and a different price for the poundage. Okay, so whatever that was or whatever, how we did that. And then I got 2 bags of gold potatoes, and these were
$3.49
a piece for 5 pounds. So that's say $7 for 10 pounds of gold potatoes. Then I got a gallon of milk. And I don't know if y'all have, Samantha and I were talking about this the other day. I don't know if y'all have noticed this, but to me, milk is just not lasting as long as it used to last. All right, now this is, what's today, the 11th?
The 10th.
10th. Okay, so 12 days. And I know that I used to could get milk or whatever that would last for, 2.5, 3 weeks, but it's just, now it's not anymore. All right, and then I got a cucumber just because I like to have a cucumber in my salad, and I'd gotten a bag salad the other day, and I forgot to get the cucumber. And the milk is
$3.19.
The milk was $3.19 a gallon. This is whole milk. And then the cucumber, this is an English cucumber, and it was 99 cents.
Yep.
99 cents for that. And like I said, this was just a very small haul. This is everything that I need now for, I can't think of anything else that I could possibly need for Christmas dinner, because Kim's giving me the turkey and Kayla's giving me the ham. So I've got everything. I think I've got everything to fix for Christmas dinner. And now, I went the other day and I didn't do a grocery haul. I just wasn't feeling good. Well, no, we'd been gone all day long. And by the time we got home, I was just tired and it was such a big grocery haul for the cookies and the candy and everything that I was making that I just didn't even put it on there. Did somebody just knock?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right, well, hold on a second. Okay, I'm back. I'm sorry, it was somebody looking for the owner of the farm or whatever. So, but anyway, I got a lot of the flavorings, like butter flavoring and rum flavoring and
Orange extract.
yeah, orange extract, and I just got a bunch of flavorings in case I need them for the baking and all that I will do, the cookies or candy or anything else that I'm going to do. I know I'm going to do preacher cookies and haystacks and let's see, sugar cookies, and I got a bunch of sprinkles and the icing and all for the cookies. And I don't really like chocolate chip cookies, but got milk chocolate and morsels, so maybe maybe it'll be okay, but I'm not really a big fan of chocolate chip cookies. But I'm still going to make some, and I want to make some peanut butter, and I want to make some oatmeal raisin. And I'm going to show y'all, I'm going to make those, but I'm going to make a lot of sugar cookies, and probably in the chocolate chip ones, and I'll be freezing those, and I'm going to show y'all how you do that. And so it's going to be a lot of stuff coming up, so I hope that y'all will be watching and liking the videos and sharing them. And if I like I said, I'm sorry that I haven't been here, but I just needed some time off or whatever, and I will be back. I hope you like this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, and my Instagram. And also, there are different links below of things that you can purchase at Amazon that I use in my kitchen, or that businesses have, gave me to show y'all about those. And I hope you have a good day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.